Hi, welcome to the New Wave Cooking Club. I'm Jennifer, the executive chef at New Wave Oven. Today we're going to do a very simple cinnamon and sugar flour tortilla crisp. And all we're going to do is you're going to take 1 pack of the 12 count or a 12 ounce pack of tortillas and just cut them down the middle and then make nice long strips. I like them fairly thin, so they tend to crisp up a lot better. All right. All right, then we're going to just kind of throw them in the bowl like this. All right, what I did is I took a half of a cup of butter and I melted it in the New Wave on the 4-inch rack for 1 minute. And we're just going to pour that around. It doesn't seem like a lot of butter, but it is enough to coat. All right, we're going to take a half a cup of sugar. This is one of those recipes that doesn't have to be an exact science. Sprinkle that. Cinnamon. Here's my little trick for cinnamon. It's 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And I just bought this at the little kitchen store. I think they have them at the dollar stores too. And I just throw it in there and then just hit it so that it evenly, you don't get those big chunks of cinnamon. Plus I like gadgets. Okay, and then this is the fun part. I like to just use my hands. Your hands are your best tools if they're clean. But if you're not comfortable with that, use some tongs or whatever. Okay, what we're gonna do is we are gonna stack these. I'm gonna put some on a 2-inch rack and then also put them on a 4-inch rack. If you don't have a 2-inch rack, you can turn it over, put it on a 1-inch. You just have to do it in a couple different stages of cooking, where I'm going to try and get all these done in 1 7-minute time. I like to put them on the rack because then the convection, let's see, we got to put it over here so you can see better. Like to put it on the 1-inch rack, on the rack so that the convection can just evenly get underneath there and crisp them up. Take our 4-inch rack. These are a really great snack after school or after taco night or something. And they're much better than that fast food place that you can get them at. All right, wipe my hands. We're gonna put on our lid. I'm gonna give it cook time. 5 minutes, start. When 5 minutes goes off, I'm going to just kind of turn them with some tongs and then give it an additional 2 minutes. Then I just put them out on a rack. I just will let them dry like that, maybe about 5 minutes, and then they're ready to eat. Store them in a plastic baggie and they'll stay good for a week. Okay, I'll see you back in 5 minutes. Our 5 minutes are up. We're going to just lightly toss them around, see how nice and brown they're getting. Hear the crunch? Oops. We're going to give it another 2 minutes. Then we're going to let them sit for a little bit and dry out, and then they're ready to eat. Cook time, 2 minutes, start. We'll be right back. Okay, our 2 minutes are up. Ooh, look at how crispy those are. Now we're gonna let them just sit on our rack and let them cool down completely. But I just wanna show you the crunch of these. Ooh, they're hot. Just give them another little toss. In probably about 10 minutes, they'll be ready to eat. So until next time, have a new wave of a day. Bye.